Guys, this is just a reminder video of how to log in a student to the NC Test app if we are doing in-person administrations. So the first thing all the students would need to do in your classroom is log out of their Chromebooks. Once they've logged out of their Chromebooks, you're going to go down to the NC Test app, which is located in this apps menu. It's going to be the first one there, NC Test. And as we wait for it to load, you will click on the top left square, and that's going to be our NC Test login. There's going to be two separate areas here. The testing area that we would be using if we were doing in-person testing is the one that says Test Administrator and Password. That's where you're going to have to put your NC Test Administrator ID and your password. The students would use this bottom section if they're doing remote testing. So in this case, I'm going to put my ID in. And my password, and then log in. Once I go to log in, it's going to ask me to select the test type. So at this point, I'm selecting the test type. We're doing check-ins, so I'm selecting check-in math. And I'm selecting the test. NC check-in math, this is our first round. And select grade 8. And once I do that, there will be a list of every 8th grader that would come up. So if you have 25 kids in your class that you're testing, you'll have to go through and log each of these students on. And then once you come to a student who's in your class, you scroll down, and here I have Rihanna. I would select her. She's in my class. Select student. And then this is the start screen for the student. So at this point, you would give the Chromebook back to the student, let the student log in, or just start the test on their own when you're ready for them to start. As you can see, it has her name up there, her student ID, and our school. That's the quick and easy guide. This is something that you're going to need to know if we go back to in-person learning for our second and third round of check-ins. At this point, this will also be the way that our EOGs will be administered. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you.